Hello my friends, I'm here at Lowe's looking at the fruit trees and see what they have as far as stock. I'm going to show you what they have here. The stock is very low. The trees are running out. It's definitely time to plant some pear trees. Barely anything left. They are actually shaped really nicely to plant. This bin is empty. I'm not seeing any plums, cherries, peaches, apricots. All I'm seeing is apples here that are half empty, but the trees are beautiful. They've been pruned or just clipped at the leader once right there, and they're growing really nicely. They're really tall, so if you wanted to leave your tree just natural, which is an option as well, and just let it grow without pruning, these are shaped well to do that. Other than that, the stock is definitely running low. There's still a good variety of apples. These are Red Delicious. Really good variety here. It lasts long, shelf life is good. And these are potted trees, and for $39, excellent price. Really good price. Here's one Yellow Delicious apple. It's kind of like the Red Delicious, but in the yellow version, and it's actually delicious. I have those. They're really good. Macintosh apple. Nice hearty apple. Lasts pretty good in storage. So yeah, there you have it. There's another yellow delicious apple. So go to your local Lowe's and give it a shot. Take a look, see what they have. Don't wait too long on the fruit trees. Yeah, not much left here, but there's plenty of other decorative shrubs for landscaping and yeah, just in general planting for beauty. There's some decorative trees, willows, maples, well, different kinds of decorative crab apples, and many other trees. They do have shrubs. They have blueberries. They have, you know, other raspberries and tomato plants and peppers and everything else that you need for your garden. But as far as the stock on fruit trees, definitely low. So don't spend your time thinking about it. Go out there and do it. It'll be well worth it. The trees are shaped very nicely, and be an awesome addition to anybody's backyard. There are blueberries here as well. They're priced very well as far as the price goes. They're nice and healthy, vigorous, and with plenty of fruit set on them. There's a lot of buds. It's going to be a lot of fruits. They are best pollinated by bumblebees. They do a very good job pollinating. This is blue crop blueberry, and then there's other varieties out there, varieties right there. So there's plenty to choose from. You probably need at least 2 to 3 or more varieties to have really good crops that bloom at the same time for good cross pollination. So if you were to buy blueberries and have good crops, mix varieties so that they bloom. Make sure they're the same. Yeah, early. If they're all early, make sure they're all early. Or mid-season or late season, and get 2, 3, 4 varieties of different kinds of blueberries so that they can cross-pollinate and produce very good crops. So, yeah, definitely have a decent selection of blueberries here. You know, and they do also have a good selection of raspberries. If you go and take a look at that. And my name is John, and I'm here with you. Take a look at my other videos on the channel about other tree pruning and berry prunings, and I'll see you later in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Take care. Bye.